and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we'll talk about the indicators. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video in order to reach more knowledge directly. And also, if you don't have a Binance account yet and want to create one, you can click on the registration link which is in the descriptions of our video to register with the lifetime 20% fee discount benefit to Binance. Do not miss out this chance. Indicators are one of the most important things in technical analysis. They help us to predict the price movements and they tell us about the market condition. They have a mathematical base and they have coded for us. You can learn how to use indicators from the technical analysis tutorial which has been prepared for you. Just click on the link below and start being an expert on technical analysis. In this video, I will teach you how to apply indicators to our Binance Futures interface. You have to set your graphic to the Tradingview as we mentioned in the formations chapter. After setting it to Tradingview, volume indicator will show up as default, as you can see. Let's learn how to apply other indicators to our interface. You will need to click on this image, which is technical indicators. After clicking on it, this menu will be opened and you can access every indicator that you need in order to get help while trading. For example, you can write your RSI and you can reach the RSI indicator by clicking on its name. As you can see, when I clicked on it, my RSI indicator showed up at the bottom of the screen. Let's add another indicator, which is MACD. I clicked on the MACD and as you can see, MACD indicator is applied at the bottom of our screen. This way, you can add the indicators to your interface easily. Also, you can click on the remove images as I'm showing you right now to remove them from your screen. After you are done with the indicators, you don't have to remove them one by one. Just double click on the price graphic and as you can see, they get invisible directly. Double click again to your graphic and they will show up. If you double click on the indicators, as you can see, the indicator itself will be full screen. So, if you want to make full screen one of these, just double click on them and as you can see, they will be full screen. This is the end of this chapter. In the next one, we will learn support and resistance zones and their importance for our analysis. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next one.